How to delete copied messages in WhatsApp. First of all, update and launch your WhatsApp application on your device. Sign in and log in to the particular account and you will reach on the chat section of WhatsApp. After that, tap on particular chat where you want to delete the copied messages of WhatsApp. So for this video propose, let's select messages and send a message to this particular user. Or else what you can do is simply you can select the send messages by them. So let's tap and hold the particular message and tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Now select the copy and your message has been copied to the clipboard. Tap on message at bottom of the screen and then select the four dots at the bottom left corner of this keyboard. Here you got the different option at top like stickers, GIF, clipboard, settings and many more. So let's select the clipboard icon and here on the recent you have easily got the copied message. Simply tap and hold that and tap delete button. After that, you have successfully deleted the copied messages in WhatsApp. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.